this is Shandra. Today I'm going to show you a liquid level indicator. Now I've got a say when vibrating indicator, but this one is made by Reizen, but there's a lot of different kinds of these. They all work the same. What I've noticed about the newer ones is rather than taking the large 9-volt battery, that they're actually taking the smaller like watch batteries. So if that's a factor, this one just vibrates when it goes off, but some of the other ones will also make a beeping noise, so that can change. The one thing I don't like about the 9-volt battery is if you were trying to put this in and you're blind, I don't know how you would be able to tell which direction the battery goes in. I mean, I can tell visually looking at it, but there's no bump indicators or dots around the edge showing which way they line up. I guess you would just fight with it, and if it didn't click in one way, you turn it the other way. Maybe that'll be a benefit of some of the different battery types. But so all you do to turn this on and activate this is you click in the battery. Any of you have plugged in 9-volt batteries, you know it's basically a little cap that goes over there. All right, so there's not an on switch or anything like that. As long as your battery works, which I stuck it on my tongue, I know it works. As long as your battery works, this is good to go. Okay, so I'm going to put on my blinders and show you how this works. Now, first off, somebody who has a visual impairment, they're often, if they really can't see, they'll put their finger in their glass, right? Like this. And that's fine unless you're pouring drinks for company. And somebody doesn't have to be blind to use this, because there also could be a contrast issue. Like maybe you can't see a clear liquid in a clear glass. Like I added a little bit of food coloring to my water here just so it would show up, because I worried that clear water in a clear glass might not show up. So it might be one of those things where if there's some contrast, you can see it fine, but without contrast, you struggle. This is just a great little handy tool. Costs like $10 to $15 to do it. Okay, so I've got my glass, my indicator, put it on the edge there. All right. I haven't used this picture before. Okay. Okay, so I filled that, you hear it? And that tells me that my glass is full. And if I stick my finger in there, oh, I can tell. I got it right to the top. Perfect. Hope this helps. So we were gonna try to have a lot of video, if I had spilled and made a bunch of messes we would have had, you know, outtakes of me spilling all over the table, but Michael doesn't believe it. I did it in my first try. He's like, I can't believe you did that first try.
She really did.
I did not spill a drop. Look at this. Not even a drop. Not even a drop. So I'm a very practiced, low vision person, but I did it my first try, and we were thinking we'd have a lot of little outtakes of us pouring water all over the table and cleaning it up, pouring water all over the table and cleaning it up, but I did it my first take, didn't spill a drop.